Hi everyone. I thought tonight I wanted to share my Christmas tree. We've got it up, and I want to share my good news. My granddaughter is home after 1 month in intensive care. We brought her home on Friday to my small team, and we're nursing her back to recovery, hopefully. Still very tricky, but you know, I'm convinced we'll do our best by her and get her as well as we can expect. Now, as you say, my head's now gone into Christmas mode, and this is going to be my last vlog till Christmas, principally because I'm so busy with the team, so busy with getting ready for a family Christmas. But I've got plans to try and do a vlog between Christmas and New Year, focusing on the leftovers of Christmas and what I am going to do with them in the Ninja, or even in the pressure cooker. I'm not sure yet because I don't know what leftovers I'm going to have. Tonight though, I'm doing something which we do between Christmas and New Year, a break from the rich foods. I'm going to do you some salmon fillets, wild salmon fillets with pesto topping. You don't have to put the pesto on. I just like the way it cooks the salmon. I like the flavours. I'm a lover of pesto. So let's get cracking and let's cook. Right guys, just have a look. This is wild Keeta salmon fillets from I believe up near the Atlant. I don't know where it's from anyway. I've forgotten, but it's very nice salmon. So anyway, let's get on. So I've got 2 fillets here. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to take them out of the packet. Skin side is going to go down into the Ninja like that. Very simple doing salmon in this. Absolutely love it. Normally I would just pan fry it skin side down. Right, so I'm just putting the pesto along there, a spoonful, and then I spread it because this makes like a beautiful crust and it stops your salmon drying out, which is very important. There's nothing worse than salmon that's totally dried out. So there we go. Don't worry if it goes down the sides. Of course you can use red pestos, anything you like. Or as I say, you can just have it totally plain. It's still a beautiful, beautiful fish. Right. Okay. I do like the wild salmon because I always think there's a little bit more flavour to it. But at the same point, I am a great believer in farmed salmon as well, so we're not depleting our wild stocks too much. Okay, put that down there. And now I'm going to top that with some fresh parmesan I've just grated. Okay, I love fresh parmesan. And there's parmesan already in the pesto, obviously, but I put this on the top. It goes kind of crunchy, giving texture. Oh my word, it smells lovely now, and that's before I've even cooked it. Okay, tonight we're just having, it's a simple supper, it's Sunday evening, so we're just having the fillets. I've just got it out the freezer, some celeriac mash I made the other day, and we're going to have asparagus with it, and then we're going to have a pudding later. So, but anyway, let's cook. Into the air fryer, and I am actually going to do air fry on this. Okay, 200, and I'm going to go 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes should be fine. But I will check it halfway because, as I say, I do not want it drying out. So let's crack on with that, and I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Oh, that looks so good. Well, finished, and the smell is just amazing. The parmesan did everything I wanted it to do on the top. By the way, my husband said I should tell you, in my celeriac mash I've just put a lovely sprinkle of fresh parmesan, spun it through, and that's just been in the microwave, so I'm not cooking tonight. I'm being super lazy. I've spent the weekend sort of doing nursing, Christmas decorations. I've been in the garden with my husband, so it's been so busy, but I'm still kind of feeling very festive now. Now I've got my granddaughter home. Anyway, let's get this out. So this is where I've got to hope I don't spoil it. Okay, it's one lovely, lovely fillet. These long, skinny fillets are always a bit more difficult, I find. Right, okay. Oh, and the ends come up there a little bit. Oh, but it's beautiful. Okay. Right, let me just push that back there for a moment. As you can see, I've put some lovely fresh lemon on there. I can't beat a bit of fresh lemon. Okay, in here I've got my buttered asparagus. It's about 3.5 minutes in the pan. You can steam it, you can do whatever you want with it, but tonight I just quickly shoved it into a quick boiling water. Oh God, I love buttered asparagus with a bit of black pepper. It always feels very decadent somehow. Right, and then just a nice scoop of creamy, garlicky, parmesan-y celeriac mash. Okay, one of my subscribers, very nice lady, said, I do wish you'd cut your food open so we can see it. Which I think is a bit mean in a way, but I will do that. So you can see it's beautifully cooked in there. And that looks, and you can see it's very moist as well. So you can see the moisture just running there. Okay, so that's as good as it gets because we're going to eat it. Okay, I'll see you in a minute when we've ate this. I hope you all try the salmon. Like I said, during Christmas, if you've got a Ninja or any air fryer, it's a really simple, quick, delicious, healthy meal for you. But I'm about to go now, finish my night. I'm enjoying a glass of champagne, folks. And I just want to say thank you for all the support. I've had wonderful messages from my subscribers, and I can't thank you enough. It's been a great year regards the YouTube channel. I'm enjoying it, I'm having a lot of fun. We've had this hiccup which has put me back a month, but I've got great plans for the spring. Hope to see you between Christmas and New Year. I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, a wonderful New Year. I want you to all stay happy and healthy and really get cracking with your ninjas and send me pictures, recipes, whatever. I love sharing and you're all very special. Cheers. Happy New Year, Happy Christmas, and love to you all. Thank you.